Hey people, I'm just making this short video as such. It's quite simple on the how to remove a broken indicator bulb on the Audi A3 special edition car. It's not actually my car, so sort of first time I'm seeing this. It's on my son's car. So looking in the workshop manual and a general guide, basically how to remove all the stuff out of the way, if anything, to get to the bulb. Seemed kind of quite ridiculous, the workshop manual. According to that, it's remove the bumper, remove fixings, and remove the column in the end. Anything getting in the way, just remove. Seems like a load of crap, as in takes too damn long. Ain't got time for that, so sod that. There is an easier way of doing it. So if you come around here, under the wheel arch, it's located just inside there. So getting the fixings out of the way. This one on the side doesn't really have the fixings in it. Must have been taken out a previous time, but the fixings look to be screws. If you can see it there, I think it's a T5. T5 is a T20. I'll get there in the end. T25. I don't know what keeps on 5. T20 size star adapter tool to get them out. And once you've got them out up here, at least you'll be able to slide your hand in this gap. Be a bit awkward with the camera a minute. Yeah. You should be able to, if I can angle it around, should just be able to see the backing of the bulb insert just there. Yeah, well, it looks like it. So reach your hand up in there and give it a twist anti-clockwise. A bit rocky here. Give it a twist. Yeah, that's it. Come out loose straight away. Now my hand's trapped. Yeah, nice one. Kind of put the camera down a minute. Just to get my hand out. Oh, yeah. Sorry about that. And yeah, here's the bulb in its single little insert. Not seen that before, but new to this. But just turn the light bulb out of that, or just pull it out, whichever it comes out. Stick a new one in, and then back into its hole. And top of the column, just up there. I think the camera's got all that. Got the sunlight in my eyes. Idiot. But yeah, push up in place, give it a twist clockwise, get this wheel arch cover back down, fixings in there if you've got any. This one ain't, but so be it. And should be good to go.